What's going on, guys? Kyle here from Guidewise. In this video, I will show you how to create a weekly planner in Monday.com. Once you're in Monday.com, in the left column, go to Workspaces and click the plus sign. Scroll down to Board and then give your board a name. Once you have given your board a name, select Create Board. You then want to add groups for each day of the week. So the first group can be Monday, the second one can be Tuesday, and then add another group. The next one will be Wednesday. Then we want to add a new group and label this Thursday. And you can do this for the remaining days of the week. Once you have got your days, you then want to add tasks or items for each day. So for the first item, I will label this YouTube scripts. You then can assign a person, add the status, working on it, stuck, done. You can add a date, and you can also set custom tasks. So I will click the plus sign and type in priority and add that. So now we have a priority column. And as you complete tasks or work through them, you want to update it. This gives you a clear view of your entire week. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe.